आज का सुबह का सच. Now today I'm going to discuss an important point which is in everybody's mind at some point or the other, which is fear of failure. What is the fear of failure? Any result which you are expecting or others are expecting you to do, and if you fail or if you have a fear of failing, that achieving that result which makes you worried or anxious, that is the fear of failure. Now I'm going to give you 3 ways to avoid this fear of failure. The rule number 1 is it's okay to lose, but it's not okay to quit. Now I'll give my own example about when I was studying 10th in board exam, which is very crucial. I flunked in one subject. My family made me realize that it's okay to fail, but it's not okay to quit. So they encouraged me to study again on that subject, and you won't believe that I got almost double of what I got in the previous exam. The same subject, the same me, but the result was different. Why? Because the support which was given by the family, not to pressurize me that why did you lose or why did you do this and that. No, it was very simple that it's okay you fail, but don't quit, because you can do it. That made me realize that I can do it, and I studied again, and whatever learnings I got from that failure, I used it to my advantage. So always believe that it's okay to lose or it's okay to fail, but don't quit. Second is be positive. Even in the form of doing something which that it'll be tough for you to do, and you have a pressure of others also, expectations of others also. If you keep your mind positive, then you'll be very clear of what you have to do. Irrespective of the result, the efforts will be very, very clear if you be positive. Third and most important thing is that visualize. Whenever you're doing something, always visualize both the side. Now recent example being, I kind of posted a photo of mine in the competition recently in Instagram, and I kind of was having huge expectations, so I broadcasted to the group, and people were encouraging me. People were replying that okay, you'll be a winner. There was a quarterfinal which I qualified, there was a semi-final which I qualified. Every time the people who were supporting me was kind of having expectation that for sure you will win, because the photo is nice, and every encouragement, like all family and friends, they do. But before the final, where it was a tough competition, I myself went through this process of thinking both the result, which is not getting through the final or getting through the final. I visualized both scenarios in front of me, and I prepared myself that if I win, these are my outcomes, and if I lose, these are my outcomes. So it made me a kind of ready by either the result would have been. Even so the result came in final, and I lost by about 4 to 5% votes, because the other picture was equally and better than mine, to be very honest. But that made me prepared. The visualization made me prepared, and I kind of took it very positively, that it's okay, I'll try again, with a better photograph, maybe I'll win. So always visualize the outcomes in front of you. That will make you strong, and that will not make you to quit. Hope you will apply this in your mind in future. If you ever, I don't want you to go through this process, but if you ever have the fear of failure, then remember these 3 things, and I'm sure you'll sail through. Have a nice day. Okay, so if you like Sounder Speaks and Subeka Such, please like the page, follow the page, share the page, and subscribe it to get more updates. And I'll keep on giving my thoughts through this Sounder Speaks. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.